In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start over on TurboTax for 2025. Let's dive in and walk through the process to ensure you have a fresh, clean start for your tax filing. To begin, you'll want to visit the official TurboTax website. This is the starting point for accessing all the tools and resources available for filing your taxes. Once you have navigated to the site, find the Sign In option. It's typically located at the top right-hand corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. This step is crucial because accessing your account is necessary to manage your tax documents. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the TurboTax homepage. From this page, look for the section labeled Tax Tools. This feature is usually located on a sidebar or towards the top navigation menu. Clicking on Tax Tools will reveal a drop-down menu or a new set of options. One of these options will be Tools. Proceed to click on it. Now that you've accessed the Tools section, you will see an option that says Clear and Start Over. Before moving forward, a quick reminder, using this tool means that all entered data will be erased, allowing you to start from the beginning as if you're filing your taxes for the first time. This option is particularly useful if you want to correct errors or if you feel it's easier to begin anew rather than fixing multiple issues. When you click Clear and Start Over, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm this action. Here you need to click Yes. This confirmation ensures that the action was intentional, preventing accidental loss of data. By clicking Yes, all the saved information in your current tax return will be cleared, and you'll be taken back to the starting point where you can input fresh data. This process is straightforward but important, as starting with a fresh slate can be beneficial for accuracy in your tax filing. It can reduce frustration if you've made errors that are complicated to unravel. Remember, TurboTax offers support if you encounter any issues or have questions along the way, and there you have it, a clean start on TurboTax for 2025. We hope this guide has been helpful and makes your tax filing experience smoother and more manageable. If this video has provided value to you, consider checking out our other related guides and resources. Thank you for watching and happy filing.